distance is my boat ramp that I launch from here and there. The white pole is stuck in the distance, gonna get nowhere near it. Up over there, all flooded. It's normally all dry as a bone. You can see it rippling down here still with what's coming over the flats. Yep. Splush, splush. That's the other boat ramp that I've got an option to launch from out on this side creek off the river. Over in there between that tree and the break and the reeds is where you'd normally put your boat in. Way above that. And that over there's kind of the top end of the floodplains. All over in the distance is your floodbank wall.
The top of 30, 27 and mostly sunny on Saturday. Today we're chasing a top of 24. And right now the Devillies air conditioning magic weather station, it's 22.
We're only 90 seconds away from 10 songs in a row. Non-stop magic.
On that bird turd on the windscreen.
Christmas gifts, La Villa Home Decor and Gifts Loxton. See the exciting new ranges by Maxwell and Williams, including marble ashboards, and add some class to your table with their Mediterranean serving platters and bowls. Plus get beautiful Christmas decorations, Australian-made Waverley London soy jar candles, and stunning decor for your home. And while you're there, enjoy great coffee and freshly baked goods. They've extended their trading hours in December. They'll be open on Sundays.
That'll be bad for the mozzies this year.
Thursday, December 22nd.
Rosenthal Automotive's Hail Sale. Dozens of new and used vehicles are being damaged by the recent hailstorm. Some with more than others, but all of them have prices reduced. Holden, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Hyundai, and used vehicles. Buy these vehicles.
Hello, ducky ducky.
Small dents means big savings. All damaged vehicles must go. Some with thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars knocked off the price. Savings have to be seen.
Birds that love this, that's for sure.
Enter Rosenthal Automotive.
Coach reckons if we win today, he'll drop his pants and run a lap. Should reason to lose. Oi, you ever put your seatbelt on? Mate, it's a 5-minute drive. I'll be fine. You won't be fine if you go flying through the windscreen. Now buckle up, honey buns.
This up here is the embankment wall I've said that runs basically from this side of Renmark to Renmark, and there's another one that runs on the other side of Renmark out to right out to where they class it as no danger. Hopefully no bloody cars coming. Not good. End of video. That noisy thing right over there is where my water gets pumped from, straight out of this side creek. She's all flooded over here where you'd normally drive down and through, and then this is basically the top half of the floodplains. All the way down. I still ain't finding shrimps or any flaming yabbies. Another view looking down. You just walk down that muddy ass path. There's all salt bush underneath all that crap under there. Underneath the water, which is a couple of feet deep.